It seems like Japan, right, Seven and I falling into foreign hands. How much of this is too big to fail? How much of it is sort of this whole thing about a national, almost a cultural icon? Because honestly, I mean, 7-Eleven has its roots in Dallas.
No, but look, you can also look at it as just, bidding up and finding the true value of the company. And I'm certain that Seven and I will stay Japanese. I think the fact that the founding family is now going together with one of the biggest trading companies, Itochu, and having the banks lined up, I think that it's just a matter of weeks now before the deal is concluded and the company will be taken private.
So let me ask you, activist investors, obviously, right, they've been pushing for change, right? Unlock value, break it up, spin it off, sell off parts, etc. What do you make of that idea, especially the supermarket business? Because I'm not sure some folks understand. I mean, with 7-Eleven, part of the appeal and maybe even the charm of walking into a 7-Eleven in Japan, right, is literally that's the place where probably 80% of folks who work in an office job go and get their breakfast. And those sandwiches come from somewhere, and that's from the central kitchen, which also supplies the supermarket side.
Yeah, no, look, I mean, the kids in Tokyo, they call 7-Eleven, it's the refrigerator, of the young generation here. But look, let's step back a little bit here, because I think that, the key point is that these sort of moves that we're seeing now, with the white knight emerging, with a real operator who is foreign, trying to buy the company, and before that, the activists coming through, all of these things 5-6 years ago would have been impossible, even unthinkable here in Japan. And I think that the evolution of this market for corporate control is really going in a very, very healthy way. And the upshot for the average investor is that Japan always was a value trap. We understand that there's a lot of value, but it doesn't get unlocked because of no pressure on corporate management. Now that has changed. You've got the 7-Eleven story. You've got, on top of that, yesterday, Efficimo, one of the big activist funds, taking a big stake in Nissan. Everything is moving here. The value in Japan is being unlocked. And this will drive the Nikkei to over 50,000, in my view.